Wait, little bees. Don't move. Can you help me? My toys are all messy. Oh. Should we leave it like this?
Buzz, it's DeeniBee. Come and learn something beautiful with me. BeeBee buzz, let's laugh and see. Little hearts shine with DeeniBee.
Assalamualaikum, little bees. I'm BeeBee. Welcome to DeeniBee. Today we are learning something very important. Do you know what Allah loves? Let's find out. Oh wow! Look at this room. So clean, so neat, and so beautiful. Hey, look! It's our friend. He is ready to play. He has his blocks. Let's build. Up. Higher and higher. Wow! That is a big tower. Uh-oh! The tower fell down. That was silly. Oh dear. Look at the room now. The toys are everywhere. That's a big mess. What should we do?
Buzz. Hello. I saw you playing. That looked fun. But now, the room is messy. Let's clean it together.
Pick up the blocks. Great job. Put them in the box. Look at the sparkles.
Buzz. Great job.
Oh, the teddy. Give it a big hug. So soft. Now let's put it away. Place the teddy inside. Well done.
Buzz. Keep going.
Now roll the balls. Roll and roll into the basket. Now the rings. Stack them up. Round and round. Perfect. Oh, look at his face. He feels happy and proud. You did it. Wow. The room is clean again. So neat and so beautiful. Oh, DeeniBee is so proud of you.
Buzz. You did it.
Now it's time to sit and be calm. Let's listen and learn. Wow! Look at the room. It's clean and beautiful. Allah loves clean things. I think we need help. Let's ask DeeniBee. Oh look, it's DeeniBee.
Buzz.
He's here to help us clean up.
Let's use our magic cleanup powers.
Wow! I think we can use magic hands. Do you want magic cleanup hands too? Okay. Show me your hands. Wiggle your fingers. Faster! Now say it with me. Enough power. Again. Enough power. Let's use our magic hands.
bin. Clean up, clap, 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 clap. Clean up, clap, 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 tap, tap, tap. All our loves, when it's neat, Clean up toy, nice and sweet, Clean up, clap, 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 clap. Clean up, clap, 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 hip hooray. Clean up, let's all say, clap, clap, clap. Let's all say, clean up, let's all say, clean up time every day. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Let's remember when we finish playing, what should we do? We clean up. And remember, Allah loves clean things. I'm so proud of you for learning today. Next time you play, what should we do? We clean up. See you next time. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, little friends.
Thanks for watching, it's DeeniBee. Don't forget to like and see. More adventures wait for thee. Come back soon with DeeniBee.
Ask a grown-up to like and subscribe.